Hello fantastic people, I hope you are doing great. In this short tutorial we'll be adding mobile input for your platform movement. Please bear in mind, in this tutorial we won't be creating the platform movement from scratch. You can learn how to create simple platform movement from this tutorial, or if you'd like a crazy complete platform movement, you can wait for my next tutorial coming this Thursday. We'll be creating a full platform movement with double jumps, dashing, gliding, wall jumping, wall sliding, and so on. But for now, let's focus on the mobile inputs. We'll of course be using the new input system. The platform movement on my character has 3 input action references. We'll handle 2 of them, move and jump. Those are the default input actions coming together with the URP2D template. You can see them by double-clicking on the input system actions file. As you can see, the template comes with quite a lot of predefined actions. If you need a refresher on the new input system, please have a look at this tutorial. Each action has some bindings. In my case, the important ones are left stick for move and space button for jump. I start by creating new canvas. I focus on it by double-clicking, and then I add 2 images. First one for joystick and another for the jump button. I adjust their size to be 75 by 75. Then in the anchor presets, I set their position, anchor and the pivot point by clicking the right option while holding Shift and Alt. And then I move them a little bit away from the edges of the level. Then I do some final tweaks to the positions and sizing, and it's time to assign the images. And then of course some final tweaks to the sizing and position. Now the magic part. Unity comes with 2 components that will handle for us all the difficult parts. The first one is on-screen button, which we assign to our button. Then in the control path we select the button it has to emulate. So as you remember, our jump button has been bound to the space key. That's what I'm going to select here. Then for the joystick, I select on-screen stick. First, I change its movement range from 50 to 30. This is basically how far the joystick will move from the current center. You know, like the range of the joystick. And then for the control path, I simply select the left gamepad stick. I test it in Unity, and everything works as expected. Fantastic! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you are looking for a nice, friendly game dev community, check our Discord channel. Have a fantastic day, love you and bye bye!